Hi there. In today's video, restaurant owners will find out how they can create a half-and-half pizza using this online ordering system. This method gives food clients more flexibility and allows them to try more pizza varieties in one go. They should start by navigating to the menu editor. Then they should add a new item to the pizza category, which they can call half-and-half pizza. Now, they need to set the base price of the pizza to 0, then give the item a description and save their changes. Next, they should create an add-on group by clicking on the Add Group button and give that group a name. It's important to mention that they must then click on the Mandatory button and set the force minimum and force maximum to 1. This ensures that the food client can only choose one type of pizza for the first and only one type of pizza for the second half. They should then click on Save and then on Add Choice Of. Here they'll list all the types of pizza that they want to be available in the half-and-half pizza menu item. It's very important to set the price for only one half of the pizza, as they'll create another add-on group for the second half of the pizza later. Once they finish adding all their pizza options and their prices, they should click on the Options icon, followed by Duplicate. Now they need to rename the newly created add-on group by clicking on the Edit button. They should remember to save their progress once they're done with their desired changes. Now, they need to drag and drop the two recently created add-on groups onto the half-and-half pizza menu item. And that's it. Let's see a preview of how food clients can order a half-and-half pizza. Until next time.